Listen up, young man. You've stumbled into the lion's den, seeking wisdom on how to evade the clutches of manipulative women. Well, you're in luck because I've seen more than my fair share of cunning schemes and twisted games. Strap in and let me lay down some hard truths for you. Picture this. You're head over heels for a dame who's got you wrapped around her finger. She knows just how to bat her eyelashes and twist her words to get whatever she wants out of you. Maybe it's your time, your money, or even your self-respect. Before you know it, you are bending over backward, sacrificing everything just to keep her happy. But deep down, you know it's a losing game. You're losing yourself in the process, and that's a price no man should ever pay. So, you want to learn how to stop being manipulated by women? Well, listen up, son. I've been around the block a few times, and let me tell you, I've seen my fair share of manipulation tactics. Today, we're going to stop it. First off, let's get one thing straight. Relationships ain't some kind of game where you can afford to be a passive player. You gotta be the captain of your own ship, steering through the stormy waters of life with purpose and determination. Now, why is it so damn important to never let women manipulate you? Because being a man isn't just about having a set of XY chromosomes. It's about having integrity, strength, and self-respect. It's about standing tall in the face of adversity and never compromising your principles for anyone. Let me tell you something, son. When you let a woman manipulate you, you're not just sacrificing your own dignity. You're betraying the very essence of what it means to be a man. You're allowing someone else to dictate your worth, your decisions, and your destiny. And let me be clear, there's nothing masculine about being a doormat. Real men don't cower in the shadows, afraid to speak their minds or assert their boundaries. Real men stand up for themselves, their values, and their loved ones, no matter the cost. Don't let yourself be silenced by fear or uncertainty. If you sense manipulation creeping into your relationship, it's crucial to confront it directly. Have a candid conversation with the woman involved. Express your concerns, articulate how her behavior impacts you, and establish firm boundaries. A woman who truly values your connection will be receptive to your honesty and willing to work through any issues together. However, if she dismisses your feelings or continues to manipulate, it's a sign that the relationship may not be built on mutual respect. In such cases, it's imperative to reassess whether the partnership is worth your emotional well-being and integrity. So, what's the solution? It's pretty straightforward. Know your worth, trust your instincts, and never settle for anything less than you deserve. Be the kind of man who earns respect through integrity and self-assurance, not by demanding it but by embodying it. When you refuse to tolerate manipulation, you are standing up for yourself and setting a standard for how you expect to be treated. It's about holding onto your values and refusing to compromise your self-respect. So, take a stand. Hold your head high and let your actions speak for themselves. That's the mark of a man who knows his worth. As a man, you can expand your options. Don't limit yourself to just one woman if you suspect she's playing games. Instead of fixating on her, keep your options open and see what else is out there. Don't let yourself get boxed in by someone who's trying to manipulate you. By dating multiple women, you're taking control of your own destiny and refusing to be tied down by anyone's agenda. It's about asserting your independence and showing that you won't be held captive by someone else's whims. So go ahead, explore your options, and don't settle for anything less than you deserve. And remember, son, being a man isn't about suppressing your emotions or acting like some cold, unfeeling robot. It's about embracing your vulnerabilities, learning from your mistakes, and growing stronger with each passing day. First and foremost, know your worth. You're not some toy to be played with or a puppet to dance to someone else's tune. You're a man, damn it, with your own dreams, desires, and boundaries. Stand firm in your convictions and never let anyone trample over them. Secondly, trust your gut instincts. Your intuition is a powerful tool, my friend. If something smells fishy, chances are it ain't no rose garden. Don't ignore those nagging doubts or brush off those warning signs. They're there for a reason, to protect you from falling into the trap of manipulation. A man who allows himself to be manipulated by women is nothing short of a fool. He's surrendering his pride and self-respect on a silver platter, letting someone else call the shots while he plays the part of the clueless pawn. Real men don't let themselves get pushed around or toyed with by anyone, especially not by some scheming woman with an agenda. It's time to wake up and take back control of your life. Stand up, reclaim your pride, and show the world that you're not to be trifled with. So there you have it, son. Arm yourself with these truths, and you'll be better equipped to navigate the treacherous waters of relationships. Remember, being a man isn't just about flexing your muscles or puffing out your chest. It's about having the strength to stand up for yourself, even when the odds are stacked against you. So go forth, my friend, and show those manipulative women that your nobody is fool.